Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Trello, Asana, and Notion. So basically, Trello is a drag and drop simple using Kanban board system that's great for visual tasks and management. It's basically best for visual tasks, power-ups, and for added features. And if you talk about the pricing, it's basically for free for small projects, but for the premium one, it charges $10 per month per user, which unlocks all the automation and advanced features. And it is best for individuals or small teams who love visual Kanban boards. So now comparing Trello with Notion, Notion is basically highly flexible but has a learning curve since it climbing stones, databases, and Wikipedias. And it is best for building your own productivity system and nodes to full databases. And if you talk about the best thing about Notion, it's basically best for your personal use. And if you talk about the pricing over here, basically Notion is free for individuals, but Team Plan offers like $10 per month per user, which unlocks all the advanced collaborations. And you can go up to $15 per month and you can see all the features on the website as you can see on the given screen. Now, if you talk about Asana, Asana is basically more structured, offering task list, workflow, and team collaboration features. It is best for managing team workflows and assigning tasks, and also tracking your progresses. So if you talk about pricing of Asana, Asana is basically free for the basic task management, but the premium program basically charges $10.99, which is needed for workflow automation, and can goes up to $24.99, due to which other features are also available, and you can compare the features on the given website as shown below, as shown on the screen. So my final verdict will be choose Trello if you want a simple visual task manager which is easy to manage, as I personally use Trello. Use Asana if you need team collaboration and structured workflows. And choose Notion if you want all-in-one workspace. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.